Now, good morning, children. How are you, all of you? Fine. Good. Now, today I am going to discuss about our constellations. Now, first we have to revise everything. Now, first is universe. What is mean by universe? The universe is the vast expanse of the space. Vast expanse of the space that include all the stars, planet, dust particles, all are come in the universe. Second thing is light year. What is mean by light year? Yes, a light travel in a 1 year. The distance traveled by light in a 1 year is called a light year. With the help of light year, we can able to measure the distance in the universe. Second other thing is parsec is also another unit to measure the distance. Then we discuss about a galaxy. A galaxy is a group of stars. Galaxy is a group of stars and other celestial bodies together by the gravitational force. So what is galaxy? A galaxy is a group of stars and other celestial bodies bound together by a gravitational force. The distributions of stars in a galaxy can give a particular shape such as a spiral, ring or elliptical. Our sun is a part of a spiral galaxy. Our sun is a part of spiral galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. This galaxy is named after the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a band of stars. The Milky Way is a band of stars that we can see on a clear night. These stars are a part of our galaxy. The ancient Roman called the bands of stars by Galaxia or road of milk. That is how our galaxy got its name, that is Milky Way galaxy. Now, constellation. What is mean by a constellation? As the earth moves around the sun, we see different things at the different times of the year. In the past, people found many uses for this. For example, they would get ready for sowing when the particular star appeared in the sky. Obviously, it was not possible for them to identify each and every star, so they looked up only a groups of stars which seemed to form a pattern in the sky. So before there is no time, so they cannot able to see the time. So with the help of star, they can able to identify the times and they can able to do their work. So what is constellation? Constellation is a group of stars, which seem to form a pattern is called a constellation. First, that is the Great Bear and Ursa Major. The Great Bear or Ursa Major is the one of the easiest constellation to spot. It is easiest constellation to spot. You can see between a February and May. You can see this star in between a February and May. It's a 7 bright stars. How many? 7 bright stars from the shape of a dipper. From the shape of a dipper is long handle spoon. It is dipper means a long handle spoon used for drawing the water. Initially, in ancient time, we have used that dipper which have a long handle by which we can take water. Together, these stars are called dippers, big dipper, or we call it Saptarishi. So, what is Great Bear? Great Bear is the one of the easiest constellation to spot. You can see in between February and May. In which time you can able to see? In between February and May. Its 7 stars form a shape of a dipper. That is a long handled spoon used for drawing the water. Together these stars are called the Messier or Ursa, or we call the Great Bear, or we call the Saptarishi. These and other stars of the constellation roughly form the shapes of a bear. The two bright stars of the deeper, the two bright stars of the deepers are called the pointers. Because they point toward the pole star. So they have a two bright star of a big deeper are called a pointer. They are called a pointer because they point toward the pole star. The pole star lies the tail of bear and small constellation. That is, we call a small constellation called the little bear. So what is Great Bear? Great Bear consists of the 7 stars, so it is also called as Saptarishi. Now second one we call the Orion. That is the hunter, and we call a scorpion. Are two other prominent constellations. These are different story lying between them. According to them, the might hunter Orion walked to kill the animals of the world. Alarmed at this, Earth goddess at the Scorpio to kill the Orion. He ran away and continues to be even now. This story takes into account the fact that Orion goes beyond the horizon with Scorpio's rise. Horizon rise again only when Scorpio set. So it is, remember that constellations are only imaginary. For our convenience, have picked a few stars that is resemble with a particular pattern and call them a constellation. So with the help of that, we can able to identify their shape, or we can resemble some stories with them. So what is mean by a universe? Universe is the vast expanse of the space, included everything, whether it is a stars, planet and element. Then we have to come to light year, then parsec unit, then galaxy. What is mean by stars? Yes, the stars. Stars mainly consist of, yes, hydrogen and helium gases. Star is a heavenly body with its own light. All the stars are the huge of hydrogen and helium gas. These gases are burned in a certain part and it releases the energy, and it accumulates energy due to the nuclear fusion reaction in the star. The stars are very large celestial bodies, and sometimes they are bigger than our Earth also. So that is about the star. In next video we can discuss about the solar system. Yes, our solar system. Solar system mainly consists of all the planets here, and we discuss about the some planets like Mercury, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, Neptune, that we have to discuss in the next video. I hope you understood about the universe, stars, galaxies, constellations and types of the constellation. Now, thank you.